17 seconds of pure thought is equivalent to 2000 hours of man work. Crazy, right? Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel Muskan this side. And if you're new to this channel, I want to welcome you and I want to let you know that on this channel we talk about law of attraction, spirituality, manifestation, self-development and so much more, and I want to welcome you. Today's video, that is how to manifest anything in 17 seconds, which was given by Abhraham Hicks, is one of my favorite videos because he tells about how you can literally manifest anything in 17 seconds. That a pure thought of 17 seconds mixed with your emotions and desires is magnificent and is terrific. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Abhraham Hicks states that 17 seconds of pure thought mixed with your emotions and feelings is equivalent to 2000 hours of man work. That's crazy, right? So 17 seconds of pure thought is the ignition point of any manifestation happening out there. If you're going to think about your desire for the next 17 seconds without any contradicting thoughts as to when it's going to happen, why it's going to happen, or without any distraction and with pure concentration and focus, that's when you're going to set your manifestation in motion, and that's when you're going to sending out that frequency in the universe of you already having it. So before I tell you how you can proceed with the 17-second manifestation technique, few pointers of law of attraction. Number one, you do not attract what you want, you attract who you are. Number two, now is the right time to do whatever it is that you want. You are manifesting 24/7, either consciously or unconsciously. You are deciding your future from now. Point number three, 90% of your reality is created by your subconscious mind. It's like the way you're going to think about things, the same way you're going to act on things, and the same way you are creating your reality. Our inner world, our outside world is just a reflection of our inner thoughts. Now, before starting the technique, you are going to get yourself in a headspace where you are calm, where you're not thinking about things. So basically, you are going to be doing all the decluttering of the thoughts. You have to be blank and you have to be thoughtless, which is not possible, but yes, you can start by meditating for like 4 to 5 minutes prior to starting this technique. You can think about the things which made you feel good when you were with someone, or when you experienced something, when you were happy, or when you experienced something good. So now you would be in a headspace of calm, tranquility, and that's when you're going to take your phone and set a timer for the next 17 seconds. And set the timer, and now literally think about your desire or your goal, whatever it is that you want for the next 17 seconds. Be as clear as you can, be as specific as you can, and literally think about having that thing, about how you're going to feel once you're going to have that thing, and do not contradict it. This should be a pure thought with focus and concentration, and you should not contradict it. Like, you can contradict it whenever you want, but do not contradict it in this 17. Now, once you're gonna done with these 17 seconds, you are now gonna set the timer for the next 51 seconds, because this in total is supposed to be done for 68 seconds. So for the next 51 seconds, you're gonna set the timer and you're gonna do the same thing again. And this 51 seconds is basically done to amplify the magnitude of your manifestation, to set your manifestation in motion, to make your manifestation more powerful while you send it out in the universe. So this is to be done for the next 51 seconds. Now, once you've done it for the next 51 seconds as well, you have done it for a total of 68 seconds. And now you can just let go of it, do your work, stay busy, be productive. And it is very important for you to now you just let go of the thing, detach yourself from the desire, detach yourself from the outcome. Do not obsess over the results. Be productive and be busy. Do whatever it is that you want. And now believe that you have set your manifestation in motion. Your manifestation is on the way. You are in complete universal alignment and the universe for this desire, and yes, you're good to go. One more thing I want to point out again, that please do not obsess over the results. Do not, check if the thing has happened or not. That is just gonna make your manifestation come more later to you, and sometimes it's never gonna show up. So we have a Telegram group. I basically share my learnings over there because I love to write, And if you want to learn more about the law of attraction and manifestation with me, you are more than welcome there in the group. I'll leave the link in the description. And if you watched my video till here, I want to let you know that I love you with all my heart. Thank you so much for supporting me. This really means a lot to me. If you like this video, you can consider liking this video, commenting on this video, sharing it with your friends. Consider subscribing to my channel and never miss and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. So yes, this is me, Muskan Mehra, signing off. I'll see you in the next video. I love you. Bye.